Hey guys, make sure to stay till the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the restraint system are located, that's practically the airbag system, but it's known as restraint system fuses and relays. We'll talk where you can find them. By the way, consider this video guys for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video. You have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag system, as otherwise they can malfunction. It can end up being catastrophic event guys. So for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, you need to guys know, quick reminder, that you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before you even remove a fuse. You need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can cause damage to modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars. So we'll put a link to a video that will explain which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first on BMW. We'll also talk where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So for the restraint system, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will guys demonstrate on this BMW right here. As you know, BMW X3, X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. You have guys multiple fuse boxes in that BMW today. What we need to do, open the trunk, and here on the side you see that cover, you just pull it out, you lift that insulation piece up. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, there is very limited information about that BMW, specifically about airbag lights, anything like that guys. Practically extremely limited information guys, that most people don't even know which fuses they are. But if you come to the trunk, actually we don't need that fuse box now. The one that we need is hidden under the trunk. Lift that cover up. Here in the back you have one plastic cover, remove it, and underneath you're going to find the car battery right there. Now guys, when replacing a car battery on BMW, it's part of the airbag system. You see that positive cable right here. It has a special airbag sensor, so if the car is in a crash, it's going to deploy, practically explode, and push that cable out so it can disconnect the positive terminal, and the car cannot catch on fire. But now guys, right here, that thing on top, if you look at it, if you open it, we will have a video how to do that, but on top right there, you can test them without actually opening that thing, guys. But if you do, watch what you're gonna find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses, guys. Now, these 10 fuses, guys, will need to be tested. Most likely, the airbag system, airbag light, airbag module, also known as restraint system, guys, fuses will be right here. About relays, you don't have any. That's practically known as a fuse, relay fuse that you will need to check on your BMW. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.